My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've been on Fox and ABC and CBS and NBC. And today I want to talk to you about something most people do not know. By the way, as a former IRS agent, I know YouTube has a different audience than Google. Like you just do. They're kind of YouTubers are kind of cooler in their own way. They're more of a gritty bunch. I love the gritty bunch, so I try to peel back the curtain for IRS so you can see. You can in fact see what's really going on here with IRS. So today, I want to talk to you about. I know something you don't know. Absolutely don't know. You better listen to what I said. If you owe money to the IRS, do not call the IRS and talk to them if you can't pay your bill, because IRS then has the right to file a federal tax lien against you. That's right. IRS will file, they can file a federal tax lien. Once IRS puts your bill on the IRS record, it's called the date of the assessment, and creates a bill and sends you a final notice and or makes a demand, or you call them and say, guess what, IRS, I can't pay the money. By your denial to pay the federal tax debt, they can file a federal tax lien. Do not call them. What you need to do instead, you need to understand what IRS is going to do with your case and the 3 programs available to you. So if you have a tax bill, you have to ask yourself, what's my exit strategy? How eventually am I going to get out of this? And you've got to know that before you call IRS or have a professional, because you don't want the federal tax lien filed against you. So IRS has 3 programs: a hardship, currently non-collectible, payment agreement, installment agreement, or the offer and compromise. So if you don't owe a lot of money, you owe a small amount, call them. If you owe a large sum of money, over 30, 40, 50,000, you better call a professional, because most people are not aware of the other hidden secret is the IRS National Standards Program. And what's the National Standards Program? It is really relative to you owing IRS tax debt. IRS fix a certain dollar amount that you can spend in the areas of food and clothing and housing and utilities, your car payment and operating expenses. IRS sets these standards on a national level and localized level. And why is this so kind of life-changing to your case? If you live in a particular county and IRS says you can only spend $4,000 for your living expenses, and you're making $5,000, IRS wants $1,000 a month from you. So calling IRS without having an exit strategy or how IRS is going to evaluate your case, you are coming into sheer suicide in a payment plan. But once again, if you're just making enough to get by, don't be afraid to go ahead and call them. It's when you're making a little higher dollar, you have to be careful. You can check the IRS national standards for housing and utilities in your state, and you'll get some sort of an idea how IRS try to compresses your income to get compresses your expenses to find out how much you are allowed to live on. It's going to change your whole day. So anyway, if you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I try to answer them all at the end of a given a week. You would help me if you subscribe or like me or notify me, so I can just get more content out to you. If you have a question, when you leave it in the comments section, I'll probably get a YouTube out on what you've asked so everyone can get an answer to that. Okay, so anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.